I'm Matt McWilliams. I'm the Global Technical Manager with Bridon USA. We're here today to speak a bit about large square baler adjustments, troubleshooting, and our latest and greatest Impacts technology. With Impacts technology, we're able to bale longer, make heavier bales, and improve the performance of your large square baler in the field. In this video, we're going to look at a few more components that are related to the tying system, but maybe not directly. So the stuffer system affects the amount of flakes made in each bale. We'll talk a little bit about settings on the stuffer, and we'll also cover some of the components related to the hay dog system, which helps to hold the flakes back in the bale chamber. Now we're going to talk about a few of the stuffer components. So if we're looking at the stuffer system, this is our stuffer arm, which are connected to our stuffer fingers. The stuffer helps to eject the flake up into the bale chamber. From there, we have our stuffer arm actuator, which controls the stuffer door. Once that flake has been built, that's what trips that flake to be ejected up into the chamber. From there, we follow it up to our stuffer arm door tension spring. This stuffer spring puts a certain amount of tension on the stuffer arm, so when the stuffer door trips, it ejects the flake into the bale chamber. The lighter the stuffer setting is, the higher the flake count you're going to make. In this setting, we have our stuffer set at the lowest point possible. We have very little tension on the spring. To increase tension, we can move up 1-2 notches to increase the stuffer door tension and reduce the flake count for each bale that we're making. High flake counts per bale also increase the amount of stress on the twine during the baling process. And the stuffer should be set according to the crop type that you're baling. So we want to talk a little bit about hay dogs. Hay dogs are important in order to hold your flake back during the baling process and during the tie cycle. If we look at the side of the machine, we have our hay dog here that is spring tensioned with this spring. These hay dogs are in good shape. This is a fairly new machine. We just want to make sure that those hay dogs are fully extending into the chamber and that our springs are in good condition. One area to check during the season is to make sure the tabs on the end of the spring are intact and not broken. Oftentimes either one or both sides of the end of the spring break. It's not putting the correct amount of tension on your hay dogs and not holding your flake back well enough in the chamber, and can also cause tying issues in your baler. So I want to give you another view of the hay dogs from the inside of the chamber. So we have two types of hay dogs in every large square baler. So we just explained our spring tensioned hay dogs located on the sides of the bale chamber, in addition to spring tensioned hay dogs on the top of the baler. We also have stationary hay dogs located at the bottom of the baler. The main thing with hay dogs in a large square baler is you want to make sure everything's intact, everything's moving properly if they're a spring tension hay dog, and your stationary hay dogs are in good condition. This helps to hold your flake back in the chamber and reduces tying issues during the tie cycle.